Hello pet lovers, welcome you all to Vet Vision. Today we are going to discuss on parvovirus infection in our puppies. Parvo is a highly contagious virus and it causes infectious gastrointestinal illness in puppies and young dogs, and without treatment it is potentially deadly. So how does it spread? The virus spread either by direct contact with an infected dog or through their feces, and an infected dog can begin shedding the virus 4 to 5 days after exposure, and often before the dog start exhibiting any clinical sign of infection, and the dog will continue to shed the virus while he is sick for up to 10 days after he has been recovered. This means that the accurate diagnosis and quarantine are essential for the health of your dog and other dog as well. So, what dogs are most at risk for parvo? Young dogs between 6 week and 6 month old, unvaccinated or incompletely vaccinated dogs are most at risk for contracting parvo, and German Shepherd, Rottweiler, and Doberman are at higher risk. So, what are the symptoms for this? The symptoms are severe bloody diarrhea, lethargy, anorexia, fever, vomiting, sometimes weight loss, weakness, depression, and dehydration. So, what are the treatment for it? So, treatment consists of, if what are the diagnoses? So veterinary doctor have CPP kit, and by this they can find out whether it is parvo or not by their stool sample. Then what are the treatment for parvovirus infection? If you suspect that your dog has parvo, he need immediate veterinary attention. Parvo is a potentially fatal virus that require intensive care, and the because of vomiting and dehydration, and your vet will most likely recommend hospitalization your dog in an isolation ward where he will offer supportive care and monitor your dog for secondary infection. Then depending on the severity of the cases, your vet may prescribe a series of medication including antibiotic to prevent bacterial infection from entering your dog through the damaged wall of its intestine. To make better worse, parvo also reduce your dog's ability to fight infection by lowering his white blood cells count. Your vet will provide your dog with a supportive fluid, nutrition, and medication that will hopefully save his life, which is why taking your dog to vet is the best you can do for him. Most puppies that survive the first 3 to 4 days will make a complete recovery, which usually take around 1 week. Your vet will walk you through the recovery process and tailor a recovery plan best suited to your puppy's need. So, what are the protection for this? Parvo is a preventable disease, but even vaccinated dogs are not 100% protected from the virus. Vaccines from the parvovirus are recommended for all puppies and are usually given in a series of 3 shots when the puppy is between 6 to 8 week old, again then 10 to 12 weeks of old, and then 14 to 16 weeks. A booster shot is administered 1 year later and every 3 years after that. So, what are the home cares after discharge? First thing is diet management. Then, second, you have to restrict his activity, avoid mixing of new puppies with unhealthy puppies, and disinfecting the areas and cleaning is necessary. If you follow this instruction properly, you can prevent your dogs from getting parvovirus. So, stay healthy, stay strong. Thank you for watching.